Good morning, students. Already I taught this aldol condensation in an online class. Now I once again same I explain and upload in the YouTube. That is aldol condensation reaction. What is mean by aldol condensation? Usually the alpha hydrogen containing aldehydes or ketones undergo self condensation to form the product. The product is known as aldol and the reaction is known as aldol condensation. Okay, here now I write here the same aldehydes and ketones containing at least one alpha hydrogen atom when treated with dilute alkali, example NaOH or BaOH, undergo self condensation to form beta hydroxy aldehydes or beta hydroxy ketones. These beta hydroxy aldehydes or ketones are collectively called aldols and the reaction is called aldol condensation. Here the example I show here, two molecules of aldehyde, that is acetaldehyde, in presence of dilute NaOH to form 3-hydroxybutanol. 3-hydroxybutanol. This is a reaction, and here some commentary here. The beta hydroxyaldehydes possesses both aldehydic and alcoholic group. They are commonly known as aldols. Although ketones give ketols, which containing keto group and an aldehyde group. Yet the name aldol is used for condensation of ketones due to their similarity with those of aldehydes. And next, here the mechanism is there. How the reaction is taken place. The first one, that is step 1. Here acetaldehyde abstract the acetaldehyde react with nucleophile. The nucleophile abstract the proton from acetaldehyde or alpha hydrogen to form enolate ion. I write here in the first step, the base OH ion abstract one of the acidic alpha hydrogen to form the enolate ion, which is stabilized by resonance. In the second step, that formed enolate ion react with another molecule of aldehyde to form, that is to form anion. Okay, no, that anion in the third step, the formed anion accept the proton from water to form 3-hydroxybutanol, and in the fourth step, that is 3-hydroxybutanol undergo dehydrated to form 2-butanol, that is the final product. In this way, the self condensation is taken place in the same molecules of aldehyde. The same may be taken place in same molecules of ketones, and different molecules of aldehydes and ketones, there also taken place self undergo condensation. In this type of reaction takes place. So again and again you practice and writing the things, then only you are able to memorize, then only you are able to remember the reaction. Once and twice, thrice you practice again and again. Today itself I sent these notes to your group. You take that copy and rewrite it, then only you are able to understand what I deliver the lecture. Okay, now I here once again I repeat the same thing. When two molecules of acetaldehyde containing alpha hydrogen undergo self condensation in presence of dilute NaOH to form 3-hydroxybutanol. And next, the mechanism concerned in the step 1, the nucleophile or OH minus ion abstract the hydrogen from acetaldehyde, alpha carbon, from alpha carbon acetaldehyde to form enolate ion. That enolate ion again react with acetaldehyde to form anion. That anion is react with that anion accept the proton from water to form alcoholic to form, that is alcohol, that is 3-hydroxybutanol. And again in the step 4, 3-hydroxybutanol, the dehydration of water is taken place to form 2-butanol. This is the 4 steps mechanism. Again and again you practice it, then only you are able to remember. Now I am winding up the class. Thank you.